SureTax usage experience review. Watch before using. SureTax is a cloud-based sales and use tax automation platform developed by Walter Plummer, designed to assist businesses to accurately calculate, collecting, and remitting tax. It aims to ensure compliance with complex sales and use tax requirements across various industries. And here are the key features about this platform. SureTax provides a real-time accurate sales tax calculation, supporting complex sourcing and tax rules across multiple industries, including retail, manufacturing, construction, communication, and food service. The platform offers a tailored taxability content and rules catering to the unique needs of different sectors, ensuring precise tax compliance. SureTax integrates with various platforms including Alvera, NestSuite, Salesforce, Commerce Cloud, and other, facilitating seamless data flow process automation. And here's the pros of this platform, which is accurate tax calculation, industry customization, and process automation. And here's the downside: steep learning curve and integration difficulties. And here's the conclusion about this platform. SureTax serves as a robust solution for business seeking to automate and streamline their sales and use tax processes. However, it offers accurate tax calculation, industry-specific customization. Potential users should be prepared for a learning curve and possible integration challenges. Assessing these factors in relation to specific business needs is essential when considering SureTax as a tax automation solution.